Hi guys, welcome back to Bill with Namda channel. Today day 10, we need to solve the different type of problem today. Like past 9 days we solve the industry based problems. So today we solve the logical thinking and creative. So the question was the two lines together the x-axis of the container which may store the most maximum water. So we need to find the maximum amount of water present in that. Now the question is shown at the pictographical representation. So we don't know what is the exact capacity of water stored in the tank or container, but they give the hint of the height of array list like 1 to 7, and we need to solve the first theoretical output as the problem. Now the width is 8 because they denoted as a 8 according to the y-axis criteria, and area 8. So width 8, area 8, and the height is maximum of the given array list 1 to 7. So according to the theoretical formula, width into height is equal to area. So we find the 49 is the theoretical value, but we are pro coders, so we need to solve the code as well as into the test cases to find the maximum amount of water stored in the container. So now quickly dive into the solution. We create a as usual class solution and def function. What are the credentials we to follow in that? We need to initialize in the def function like parameter list, and left right as well as right specification we need to declare as a height and water. Maximum amount of water we initially we don't know what are the amount present in the container, so we need to initialize into 0 and create a while loop. While loop, it denotes some condition like left is less than right, which means the container as we stored in water, we don't need how much water is segregated in that container, no. So but the left capacity is greater than we visibly saw, so that the condition X be executed, left is less than right. So the next criteria we declared as a left height as well as right to the both side. Yeah, the higher than the shorter wall, so we take the minimum to declare the distance between the two walls as well as right and included left also. So next we need to include the some variable to assign the left and right wall. What are the given array? To solve the vertical lines of represent as an array to the water contained the exact amount of in container. Now declare the max water, which is the current area. It's bigger than new area. Its old record has been the representation in picture. We need to initialize the water variable to declare as the height into right minus left. Now we move the strategy move, like we condition if condition true the two walls the currently holding the water capacity. Using the left the shorter, we move into the invert to try find the taller one. First we need to declare the left. Because this condition only check which is the most taller one, then only we can able to find the how much the water capacity are stored in that container. Yeah, now we first declare as a left one. And next we go with else part right one, because the same height move to the right pointer inward. The width is always shrinking. The more water, the most taller water replaces the current shortest one. So as well as next we need to declare the return part statement using the max water. Wherever we initialized, you need to declare to call the max water to find the maximum water capacity. Now by adding some commanding lines to easily understand. Now we need to execute the code and see the result. See, the two test case has been passed. The theoretical answer we solved, the 49, is also the practical value is also same. So thank you for watching.